When I'm fighting, would you fight with me? Would you dive in when the water's deep? Who knows where I'm going? You're the place where I begin. Now I'm running through a dream. Hang on to the moment, it's turning to memory. We'll go where the wind is blowing. You're the place where I begin. When you're falling out of reach, I'll be the tide that's bringing you home to me. And when the sun sets, the light's fading, we'll hang on to the moment as far as our eyes can see.
We are gathered here to witness the union of this man, Jarrett Collier, and this woman, Brittney Hoffmeyer. Today is a special day, and it's a special moment for both of you. In this moment, your life is about to change forever. Marriage is a relationship of give and take. That being said, it's important that you never take more than you give. Because when marriage is done right, you are equals and you are partners. I wish I could tell you that getting married will protect you from bad days, but it won't. But the good news is, from this moment on, you don't have to face these things alone. Because today, you're making the decision to be there for one another no matter what.
Put your hand in my hand, darling, say go. Keep your eyes on the horizon, stay gold. All I need are your eyes, you're my head.